Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 3 of Clean Week. For day 3, we're going to be doing a bathroom deep clean and declutter and reorganization. And for day 3, I wanted to feature another one of my favorite channels, which is Kristen's Chaotic Life. So when you're done watching my channel, make sure and go check out Kristen's channel down below. I absolutely adore her channel and she's seriously like the sweetest person ever. So getting started on this video, the first thing I'm doing is we have our medicine cabinet. This is our guest bathroom and this is where we keep all of our medicine. So I am decluttering this, throwing away anything that is expired and reorganizing it to where it makes better sense.
Just friends, but thinking you're my man. And baby, if you knew, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine.
Okay, and here you'll see that we have our prescription medicines and then we have our cold and flu medications. We have our adult medications in the back for our cold and flu, and then my daughter's in the front. And then we have pain relievers right here, and then to the right in the little pink bucket, we have like syringes and little cups and things used to take medicine. Then up here I have like a first aid basket. This is where like antiseptic is, and then back here we have warmers and stuff for our animals. And then we have extra lotions and hair stuffs for my daughter. And then to the left here, we just have vitamins. And I threw away a ton of stuff, so this is much better. After that, I head to my daughter's drawer in our little vanity, and I just kind of clear that out and reorganize it a bit. And then I'm going to start on a general clean of the bathroom. And I'll be cleaning the mirror, the walls, the floors, and just everything in here.
Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends. Oh, yeah, I'm scattered, we're just friends. Just friends. So I stay awake, I don't wanna be dreaming, cause my heart aches when I wake up, it's deceiving. Why, oh why can't it be you and I? Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends.
Hey, like me, I love when you groove like that. Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it.
Okay, and here it is, all nice and sparkling clean. Everything is organized and decluttered and wiped down and sanitized, and it is nice and clean and ready for spring. If you guys enjoyed Clean Week Day 3, and make sure to check here back tomorrow for Clean Week Day 4. Have a great day, guys. Bye.